Hello everyone, here I am CS Supriya signing in from the ICSI CCGRT for the ESG conclave. The program, the conclave is about to start and we are ready for what is going to happen here. So you can see the first panel discussion is by Sridhar Patra sir, and we have Rupanjana ma'am, we have Sandeep sir, and we have Mohit sir, as usual from the ICSI, EIRC and CCGRT. And stage is all set. The members are coming in after the break, and here I have the fellow members with me. And here I have Anuj sir, the moderator for the day. Sir, your call.
We are waiting for this program, the ESG Conclave. It's being organized not just in the eastern India, but all throughout the whole region. So we are expecting a good day today. Thank you.
Yes. Any expectations from you, sir?
Uh, I believe ESG is the talk of the industry, talk of today's talk in the industry. So I believe it will be wonderful session that is from Mumbai.
Bombay. Okay, so you're here from Bombay.
I'm here from Bombay.
I believe there has been a session there also. So
There is session in Bombay, Chennai,
Chennai,
Bangalore, and other ICSI chapters on the same topic.
We have another.
So that by itself speaks the importance given to that particular subject by the institute.
okay, what do you think we could do in our daily life that could help us in ESG, like environment, social, or governance in any way? We are the governance professionals. So how we could contribute one small thing from your side?
Be honest, be transparent. That itself will take a long way in the governance related aspect.
So Satyam Vata Dharmachara.
It's there on the
That's
motto.
our motto.
Yeah, that's been there for thousands of years. So according to me, it is not something new to the
New
Indian
to
culture.
us.
It's always there.
Yeah, right. So your take?
This three pillar ESG and one of the major pillar governance. Governance is the role of the company, so the role of the CA or CS. So it's a very important part for companies.
For all of us. Right, sir. Answer your take on ESG. What we could do on daily life or one small change that could help us in ESG building.
There are many ways we can do the small step. Like many people has avoided taking their own car and going and sharing their cars. You can drive some and walk for some kilometers if possible. And we should try and avoid plastic glasses. Go for paper glasses and glasses. And I think a role of these professionals is very important in that, because there's something called greenwashing, whereby whatever the reports are being done, it's not merely a compliance being done by the corporates, but it should be actual data which is there, and we as a professional can review that and confirm that. And when we are signing an annual report, we are part of it. So when we are part of it, we should understand what we are signing. I think that is the most important thing as a CS.
Right. He highlighted two major important things. One about the annual report and second the greenwashing. Greenwashing is a very major thing happening at present because the ESG takes its root in our system and which needs groundwork. And if it is not there, then in the reports the company prefer greenwashing where they give details without any backdrop. So stay tuned for more updates from here.